Up until this point, all of the division we've done has had clean ending points, but we're going to shake that up a little bit this time. We're going to look at 126 divided by 8. Now this could be, you've got 126 pages to read, and you need to be done in 8 days. How many pages do you need to read every single night? So just like always, we're going to go put our dividend inside and our divisor on the outside. And we're going to use Charlie, do monkey, sell, chop bananas, checked, divide, multiply, sell, check, bring down. We're going to start off. Does 8 fit into 1? It doesn't, so that is off limits. Does 8 fit into 12? It does, so we now can move into divide. How many times can it fit in? It fits in once. 1 times 8 is 8. So we now subtract. 12 minus 8 is 4. 8 cannot fit into 4, so I'm going to bring down my 6. I have 46. Can 8 fit into 46? It can. How many times? Well, it fits in 5 times. 5 times 8 is 40, and I subtract. And now I've gotten into a little bit of a tricky situation, because I have a 6 as my remainder. And now in 4th grade, we could just stop there and say 15, remainder 6. And in 5th grade, we did learn that we could take this and make it into a fraction and put 6 as our numerator and 8 as our denominator. But I also want to show that we can use decimals. As we know, when we have any number, there is a decimal point, and it's hiding, and it's after our ones column. So we can add that decimal point in. And if we have a decimal point in our dividend, we want to put it in our quotient as well. I'm going to keep this line going a little bit. Now we know that after a decimal point, we can add as many zeros as we want without changing the number, because 126 is the same as 126 without any tenths. So we have no tenths, so I can put in a 0. And now I've got something that I can bring down. I'm going to bring that 0 down. I'm going to say, does 8 fit into 60? It does. How many times? It fits in 7 times. 7 times 8 is 56. And so I'm going to subtract. 60 minus 56 is 4, and I still am not done. Does 8 fit into 4? It doesn't. So I'm going to bring down another 0. I'm going to make my 0 and use it right away. Does 8 fit into 40? It does. How many times? 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 40 minus 40 is 0. 8 doesn't fit into 0. There's nothing to bring down, and we ended with a 0, so we can stop there. And so we can stop there. Sorry, the 0 was off screen. So our answer, our quotient, is 15 and 75 hundredths. These zeros can be added as many times as we want. All we need to do is remember to put that decimal point in.